Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started the chapter that is gender. This one I explained you yesterday. Now let's do the exercises based upon this. So in the first exercise, what you have to do here, you have to write three examples of the common gender, noun, and three examples of the neuter gender. You can see here in your book, that is on page number 24 in the grammar textbook, two columns are given. First column that is provided for your common gender, and the second column that is provided for your neuter gender. Common gender, I told you that the noun that can be both, means which can be male also and which can be a female also. For example, teacher, student, doctor, because teacher can also be a male or a female also. A student can also be a male or a female. Doctor also. So these examples I have written. If you want, you can write some other examples also. In the neuter gender, things which are non-living. Okay, so all the non-living things will come under the neuter gender. I have written here that is book, pen, car. If you want, you can write something else also. Now, in the exercise B, can see here some pictures are given, isn't? So what you have to do here, you have to identify these pictures, that these pictures belong to which gender. For example, first one is the policeman, so he is the common gender. So this you have to first of all try it by yourself, and later on I'll send the answers. This exercise you have to try it. Now I'm giving you the next exercise, that is exercise C. Write the nouns from the box to the correct table. Here you can see that in the two columns some nouns are written, and on the other side here heading is that is a masculine gender and the feminine gender. What you have to do, you have to choose the nouns in the correct column. Okay, for example, hen. So where this hen will go? Hen, it's a masculine gender or a feminine gender? Hen is your, that is the feminine gender, so you have to write in this column. Okay. King. King, it's a masculine gender. First of all, you have to write it like this, then you have to separate these into the columns, or if you want you can write directly also. Hen in the column of feminine gender, then next one that is the king, you have to write this under the column of masculine gender. Then after that husband, it will also come under the masculine gender. See here, husband masculine gender, nephew masculine, aunt feminine, F I have written. Then mother feminine, boy masculine, wife feminine gender, queen feminine gender, uncle masculine, mare feminine, girl feminine, daughter feminine, horse masculine gender, niece feminine gender, cock masculine gender, gander masculine gender, goose feminine gender, son masculine gender, brother masculine, sister feminine, dog masculine, father masculine, bitch feminine gender. Okay, so you have to separate them and write under the correct columns. In this way you have to write. So what's your work today? You have to complete these exercises in your book, that is exercise C and exercise A in your book, and exercise B, try to do it by yourself. Later on I'll give the answers. So thank you and have a good day.